The farmer protests and protesting farmers are set to intensify their agitation today with a relay hunger strike. Now, on Sunday evening, the government asked protesting farmer unions to specify their concerns over its earlier proposal of amendments in the new agricultural laws and choose a convenient date for the next round of talks so that the ongoing agitation could end at the earliest. In a letter to 40 union leaders, Union Agriculture Ministry Joint Secretary said the centre is making all efforts with an open heart to find appropriate solution to resolve all the concerns raised by farmers. Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu now for more. And Sunil, this is after a breakdown of the talks. There have been several rounds of meetings. Now the government reaching out and asking the farmers to come back to the table.
That's right, Gargi, but we must put it in the context of what has happened in the Supreme Court. The fact that the Supreme Court has been urging the government, upset with the manner in which it has really handled this entire issue. And it's in that context that the government is attempting one last time to reach out. I won't say last time, but attempting to reach out, saying that they're ready to go and progress. As you're well aware, the farmers have taken that position that those three farm laws need to be repealed. The Supreme Court asking the government to keep it in abeyance, a decision which they said they can't get back. They'll get back to the vacation bench. And it's in that context now that the government has finally sent a letter to the farmers' organizations. They will take a call of whether they should continue to engage with the government on this matter because their position has been loud and clear that we will not compromise on anything less than the repeal of the three farm laws. But either way, at least the government is attempting to break the ice and understand that the Supreme Court is watching, and that is the reason for why they have made this attempt after Mr. Amit Shah failed to convince those 13 members of the farmers' organization and talks had completely broken.